In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Devil May Cry 4 on PC with controller. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Devil May Cry 4 Special Edition on PC offers full controller support, so if you own the game through Steam, you can use the method that I'm going to showcase in this video to easily set up your controller. If you own the game outside of Steam, you can still follow this method, so I'm gonna teach you how to launch the game through Steam to utilize this feature. The feature that sets up our controllers for us is called Steam Input. So when you launch a game through the Steam launcher, it offers Steam Input, which should automatically detect and set up your controller. As long as it is properly connected to your PC, Steam will handle all of the setup. So if you are having trouble using a DualShock, for example, follow these instructions. So open the Steam launcher and go to your library. Find Devil May Cry 4. You will notice that on my account, I only have the MC5 and the HD collection, so I'm gonna demonstrate the process with these games, but don't worry, it is going to work with the MC4 as well. So in here, right-click the DMC game that you would like to enable controller support for, go into the Properties, the Controller tab, and all that you have to do is make sure that Steam Input is enabled. Like I said, Steam Input is the feature that will set up the controller for you. If you own Devil May Cry 4 outside of Steam, click on the option to add a game at the bottom left, add a non-Steam game, and then look for the Devil May Cry Special Edition executable. Once you add the non-Steam game, just follow the same steps that I described. Right-click it, go to Properties Controller, and enable Steam Input. Now launch the game through Steam and see if your controller works. If it doesn't work, you can try the opposite. You can try disabling Steam Input instead, but for most people, the solution is to enable Steam Input, which should fix any sort of controller issue that you have. If you click on the controller configurator here, you can browse through various different options so you can see the layout that you are using, and you can browse through community-made layouts or manually change every single button. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Devil May Cry 4 on PC with controller. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.